I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We're a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. Let's get prepared for disasters, and the best way is with our essential Ready America backpacks. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 3 days. So, with that in mind, get your 3-day, 4-person deluxe emergency kit. All of this is packed into one hands-free backpack with front pocket, reflective band, and reinforced handle. Contents include Coast Guard approved 5-year shelf life food bar with 800 calories per person each day. 5-year shelf life drinking water in eco-friendly packaging. Battery-free crank power station with radio, siren, flashlight, and cell phone charger. Multifunction tool. 107-piece first aid kit. 4 N95 protective masks. 4 goggles, rain ponchos, moist towelettes, work gloves, 12-hour light sticks with lanyard, biohazard bags, whistle, duct tape, tissues, 8 nitrile gloves, survival blankets, and emergency contact card. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed.